Welcome back for part 3 of the trilogy. In this last part, we're going to be talking about how to respond to frustration about wasting time when it is because your expectations are out of alignment. So, steps 1 through 3 are pretty much the same. Number 1, you can't do anything about what's already been done. Your power is in the present. Step 2, allow yourself space to process and regulate before engaging with the other person. Step 3, remember you don't have power over people. You have power over a person, and that person is you. Now, with number 4, we're getting into some new territory here. Number 4 is assess the situation. Look at what you're wanting and everything that it entails. Then look at who you are wanting to do this and determine whether or not they have the knowledge, the resources, or the ability to actually do it. And let's not forget willingness. They have to be willing to do it. They can have everything that it takes to get it done, but if they don't want to do it, you can't make them do it. Remember, we don't control people, we control a person. Number 5 is look for support. So the person that we're talking about, if they are lacking in either of the areas that we mentioned before, then we want to work with them to help them find support so that they can accomplish the thing that we're asking them to do. Now, if that person is either unreceptive to the support or it's just not feasible to get support in that area, then it may be that we have to acknowledge, hey, this person is just not going to be able to do what I'm asking. And so therein, we're shifting expectations to say, this isn't going to work. So either they're not able to do it at all, or it may be that we need to shift expectations and say, hey, this person is only able to do this portion, and I need to figure out a different way of getting the rest of it done. And that pretty much leads us into number 6, which is to align your expectations with what you know that person can provide for you. If they can do the job, then great. If they can't, or if they can do part of it, adjust your expectations to fit what they can actually do. Like the old folks say down here in Alabama, you can't get blood from a turnip. If you keep setting expectations that are just not realistic, you are just setting yourself up for disappointment. So always be honest with yourself in every situation. So I do hope this was helpful. I would love to hear any feedback or questions that you have. If you have them, leave them for me in the comments. And until next time, keep the faith, live with hope, and share the love.